How to use TikTok text-to-speech voice. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open TikTok on your device. Make sure you're in the video that you want to use text-to-speech in. In here, on the right side, click on AA, which is the text option. Now, simply type in the text you want. Then press on Done at the top right. Now, as you can see, there is text-to-speech. If you hold on to the text, press on text-to-speech. After you do that, it will turn into text-to-speech. After you do that, you can hide the text if you want. If not, you can keep it in front of your video as well. And this is how to use TikTok text-to-speech voice. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. Thank you for watching.